Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday, and if you were watching us for News Watch 12 this morning, you'll probably remember that there was some pretty thick fog in the Grants Pass area, but that has since lifted, and in fact, all the stratus clouds that were left over from that have since disappeared and dissipated. So we are seeing plenty of sunshine in Grants Pass. It's nice for once to see some sunshine at midday because usually it takes a little bit longer for the fog to clear out, but temperatures have rebounded quite nicely. We're already into the middle 40s. So remember, yesterday on News Watch 12 midday, there were still those stratus clouds left over in Grants Pass. We were seeing a very big temperature disparity between Medford and Grants Pass, but now that's not happening. Those temperatures pretty much in lockstep with each other. We're in the 20s and 30s for the east side, 40s throughout our west side valleys, and we're right at 50 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. Here is your outdoor dining forecast for today, going with 3 stars for lunchtime. But you know what? I was just outside, and to me, it kind of felt like 4-star weather. So maybe 3 or 4 stars for lunchtime, just with all the sunshine. We will have more cloud coverage for dinner time, but temperatures are going to be so mild, near 60 degrees in the Rogue Valley. So I did go with 4 stars for that time frame. So all in all, bottom line, St. Patty's Day is going to be a beautiful day. So get outside and do whatever you want because the weather is not going to stop you. We'll have temperatures today in the mid-40s for the east side, 50s and 60s for those west side valleys, and middle 50s there along the coast in Brookings. Skies will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy across the region. Clouds will start to build in a little bit later this afternoon into the evening. Then overnight we'll have more clouds, but we'll continue to keep it dry. And something that's very interesting about tonight's forecast is that even though we'll have an increase in clouds, models are still picking up on the potential for more fog to fill back into the Rogue Valley in Josephine County. What makes that interesting is that usually an increase in cloud coverage is a limiting factor when it comes to fog. So we'll see if that pans out or not, but just know there's the opportunity for fog in Grants Pass overnight. Other than that, it's going to be a cold one with temperatures in the teens and 20s for the east side, 20s and 30s for west side valleys, and just shy of 40 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. So Saturday is going to be essentially the same forecast as today, maybe a few more clouds up in the sky, but temperatures are actually going to end up being a little bit more mild, getting into the middle 60s. But then Sunday is going to be a very different day, much cooler, and also we're going to see widespread rainfall. It's going to enter the picture from the southwest late on Saturday night into Sunday, and then it's going to be pretty widespread into Sunday. So it's looking like Sunday and Monday are going to be the 2 wettest days over the next 7 days, but then we have several more storm systems after that to watch, and still there's a lot that we have to figure out in terms of timing, snow levels, snowfall amounts, rainfall amounts. But just know that me, Matt, and Mackenzie are going to watch it very closely over the coming days. Here's that 7-day forecast for the coast. Partly cloudy skies for today, then that small chance for showers on Saturday, and then rain is looking much more likely for Sunday, and then we'll have more showers and thunderstorms likely for the first day of spring, which just happens to be on Monday. For Siskiyou County, we'll see a couple of beautiful days for today and tomorrow, and then winds start to pick up on Sunday, showers looking likely, and then snow levels will get low enough on Tuesday, at least that's what models are saying right now, to where we could see a wintry mix in the Shasta Valley. And then it looks like that process is probably going to happen about 24 hours earlier for the east side. So, excuse me, got a cough here, but it's not coming out. But anyway, we're just going to keep on trucking. So just know that it's going to be dry for the next couple of days on the east side, but then getting some of those wintry impacts coming back as soon as Monday. Essentially the same thing for the Cascades and Siskiyous. The snowpack is going to continue to run up the score. I'll have some of those snowpack numbers actually for you and some of those reservoir numbers coming up a little bit later in the show. And then for the Rogue Valley, a couple days with sunshine and plenty of mild temperatures to go around, at least for the Rogue Valley, with temperatures in the 60s, and then temperatures coming back down with wet weather returning on Sunday.